Namaste. So, June 14th, Sunday. This is 166th day of the year, but according to leap year, it is 165. So, from now, 200 days of this year left with us. 2020 had not been easy. We have gone through corona and lockdown, and people lived very difficult life, but now again things are taking normal shape, but still in some places, in some countries, condition is still very serious. Well, the reason for starting this series of everyday importance is the same, that let's not think that what's going to happen future, something bad. Let's live in present, at least today's day. So, June 14th is actually celebrated as a World Blood Donors Day. It's a day for blood transfusion. And astrologically, it's very interesting that Sun is in its last day in Taurus. It's its 31st day. So, from this day after onwards, for 1 month, Sun is going to be with Gemini set of stars. So, it's a new Sun actually for us. Moon is in 9th lunar size. 9th lunar size is not very positive energy giving to our body and our mind. Please avoid on 9th lunar day any type of conflicts or avoid any type of gambling. Means everybody don't gamble, but life itself is a gamble. Stop taking emotional, impulsive risks. Try to calculate risk. Try to study your steps. Don't be very reactive with words, because there is a possibility of clashes, verbal clashes. This is not therefore very auspicious for marriage and all, but it's okay. But on this day, you can develop a tolerance. It's a day of a tolerance. We can learn not to be disturbed and not to increase pitta or toxins in our blood by anger. So, you can say Navamis, 9th lunar days are actually, it's a anger management learning day for us. As far as we all know that it's a blood donors day, so it's actually very good for blood donation on 9th lunar day, because 9th lunar day, our body, our pitta can be very high in blood. So, if blood letting can be done, it can bring down pitta and increase internal body strength. So, please go for blood transfusion in your places and help our society on this day. As far as Ayurveda's advices are concerned, avoid spicy food. Avoid food which is very pungent or very strong, like strong thoughts also, and also avoid anger. Take ghee to cool down your internal fire. Means don't take too much. You have to cool it down. You have not to subside it, not to extinguish it. Take milk and jaggery. Please try to take cool potency herbs of Ayurveda like guduchi, like amalaki, like brahmi, to keep your head, brain relaxed. Don't eat food which is 1 day before cooked. Try to eat fresh food. Those who take alcohol, they should not, but on Navami, on 9th lunar day, at least they should completely avoid it. Now, various aspects of life, how they are going to be influenced by 9th lunar psyche. Actually, it's very good for health, but avoid family disputes. Try to keep silence. Do Mauna Vrata. Better if on this day you can do blood donation, like blood transfusion, and also keep silence. Don't speak this day. That would be better. Or speak only to the point, precise. Don't be very reactive to your brother and sisters. Try to see their words, their point of view in their perspective. Try to be very positive in your thinking with your kids, with your life partner, in your love life. Don't have verbal arguments. Remember, lose the argument and win a friend. Same thing about father. You may be not able to have a very good alignment at your thoughts with your father. Try to develop that, and if father is not present in the world, then please give him your respect and honor. I think that this is going to be very helpful to you, because social health is very good if you don't do any conflict, and benefits are going to be good if remain silent, not be reactive. Eat amalaki, guduchi and brahmi, drink milk, ghee and jaggery. Try not to be angry. Avoid all spicy and hot food. You can eat warm, but not very hot spices. And try to listen music, be more spiritual, prefer bhakti in your heart. Again, come to you with June 15th next day. My dear friends, this series of Panchanga Muhurta, I have started this project from June 1st. The reason is this, that from my childhood I used to see that people used to come to my temple. People used to come and ask my grandfather, when is Ekadashi, when is good day to start first food for my son or daughter, when is good day to start business, please find out the good day for marriage of my child. But nowadays, we all became so busy before Corona phase. Everybody was running in the race of earning money. We forgot to enjoy. We forgot to live the life. But this part of Jyotishya was not just to earn money. They also told the days to start, because they gave very good importance to starting. If starting happens on right time, then the whole process is going to be right and results going to be good. Everybody in their life, apart from earning money, has a dream to have one house, one vehicle, very good auspicious time for marriage. Once or twice, people used to go for market to purchase clothes, like on New Year or on Diwali or Holi. But now it is everything gone. Anytime when you want, people are going and doing shopping. There used to be monthly purchase of grocery items, of household things. So what is the right day, what right time for that, so that we can purchase right thing? We should not get cheated, and we should feel satisfied after that, after spending money. These all things were given by Muhurta, by getting a particular time by astrologer. Traveling used to be a very important aspect of life, because once when you move, you change your water, you change your food, you change your place of sleeping. So how you can get an adaptability with the new place, whether cosmic environment is supportive to your cosmos. So they used to ask for date of traveling, for auspicious works, or to handle difficult tasks. Nowadays we lost this beautiful science, and nobody is really, I wouldn't say nobody, but very less people are helping us to plan our life, to select the best date. So again, I wanted this to help, and I wanted to reach maximum people. I found this YouTube channel as a very good vehicle for this. If you are going to share this information of every day, and more people can get a benefit of this, I will feel that this effort has got blessed by God. Thank you.